I mean, I couldn't really talk much inside. The architecture in these churches are just amazing. But I want to take advantage of this time to mention something. Prague, the Czech Republic is one of the most atheist country in the world. And it's actually one of the cities with the most churches. So the irony in that, very interesting how that happens. So guys, we are heading on this tour now, and here with the group. Gonna check out a few sites here with the local today, and I try to show you guys as much as I can, so you feel like you are here. So I won't be doing that much talking, mostly showing you what's going on around here. It's a little rainy, it's very cold, but other than that, it's a beautiful day because I'm in Prague. All right. And that's awesome for us.
That's good for us.
That is just fine.
He liked it also. We liked it.
So basically, they have, just 10% of tourists that they had here before.
This is St. Nicholas.
But I'm saying, who's complaining? I don't know about you when you travel, but less people for me, that's great. That is an awesome thing for me. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. And where's the clock, right?
Sorry,
you need to see that clock.
Yes.
That's why I came here, man.
Yeah, I know.
Don't make me write those reviews.
No, to tell you, it was selected as one of the most disappointing attractions in Europe.
Really? Oh.
It's like,
yeah.
The clock, it's great. For 15th century when they made it,
Yeah.
it was something special because it was showing zodiacs, moon circles, positions of planets and everything. And also, like, the biggest show is the clock itself, but like every hour. It was pretty much the first clock mechanism in the world, so that's why it's like. Does anyone have
We just hopped on the train here, the tram, I should say. We are on the tram heading to a brewery. It's my first time on the tram here in Prague. I'm a little bit lazy and usually take Uber to go from one place to another. So this is a good experience. We didn't pay anything. The guide actually paid. I don't know how much it costs to have on the train, but he was saying something like 40 crowns a day or something. So convert coronas to crowns, which is the local currency. Convert that in US dollars or euros, wherever you're from, to figure out how much it costs. It's not that much money.
Yeah.
The free seats. You want to see? All right. I'm sitting on now, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like outside with a little bit better of an angle. So Prague is known for Pilsner beer. I had one yesterday, it was really good. And that's what we're heading to now. When I think of Prague, this is what I think about. Just the big You know, the castles, these streets, the cars, the old building.
That's good. It's a bit colder usually here, but it's not that bad. That these two guys, so you know, we want to step left, for example. Johannes Kepler, Tycho de Braat,
Look how beautiful these places look.
Just like a few days ago, and they say that we are drinking 2 liters of beer per person per day. So like 4 large beers. In the countryside, you would see people and they have like big beer bellies. Yeah, there.
I like that you're
Maybe
sitting
they
as a
drink.
cheap-
There's some walls. You can see some walls. This used to be the end of Prague. I mean, here Prague ended, and on some places you can still see the city walls. Behind them there were only fields and vineyards and nothing else.
Yeah.
Now it's the whole city.
This used to be the end of Prague.
This way is the airport, for example.
And then they pushed the city further out.
By the way, if you wanted to go up to that tower, to the small Eiffel Tower, if you saw it, it's like the Petřín Tower, we call it. I'll show you in a second. This is the best way because here if you go up by the wall, you are there in 5 minutes.
Was ist dann? Sagst Bescheid, ne?
Of course, we have cobblestones everywhere.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's great, but it's not good for bicycles, honestly.
Oh, yeah.
Bicycles here. We have a lot of them and bumpy everywhere.
Cobblestone streets all over Prague. And he was saying that they're not the best type of streets for bicycles. So,
Because Prague was never one big city. It was more like separate villages next to each other, and they all joined together in like 1784.
yeah.
So those walls, they were destroyed. But this was full of monks. There were about like 200 of them, and nowadays there are still about 58 living here, working on the gardens and reading books, making beer. So not a bad life. Have beer at least. It's more like it's like Christian, like Catholic division. So they cannot have wives and girls.
Oh, that's really nice.
They have beer at least.
It's really nice. Wow, guys, look at this. It looks like a church. That would be funny if that's the brewery. Because I'm pretty sure this used to be a church.
Yeah. Also
That's the brewery right there?
you mean where? There?
No, in front of us.
No, that's the church. Of St.
Oh, okay.
Mary.
I was about to say that would be so funny.
Church of St. Mary.
Uh-huh.
Here on the right, there's a beautiful library. That's usually people miss this one because it's a small little bit hidden. I'll show you at least on a picture. It's more like a museum, so you need to buy the tickets there and spend there.
We have to mask up. Up to you.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Guys, this is an active church. There's a nitro service going on right now. So I cannot be loud in here.
Never-ending dark. In the vastness of stars, what do you see? Darkness.
It's an active church, so I couldn't really record. I couldn't really talk much inside. The architecture in these churches are just amazing. But I want to take advantage of this time to mention something. Prague, the Czech Republic is one of the most atheist countries in the world. And it's actually one of the cities with the most churches. So the irony in that. Very interesting how that happens.
It's called Saint Norbert, because that was the first monk who established this monastery. This year, very important thing, or very interesting, this year it's anniversary. It's 900-year anniversary from founding of the monastery. So 900 years ago. More like a breakfast. Yeah. So this is IPA. One
Yes.
IPA, right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
2, 3 hot wine.
Yes.
That's easy. That's easy. And anniversary lager. So, all right, guys. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. No problem. My pleasure, guys. Back,
Are we starting this?
Yeah, we'll go without Matt. Sorry, Matt.
Cheers. Salud. Salud. Salud.
So, cheers. We say, na zdraví.
Na zdraví.
Like king, so. Na zdraví. Na zdraví.
So guys, we just finished the beers and we are walking to our next stop. One thing I want to emphasize is that beer is cheaper than water in many places in the Czech Republic. And that's from the days that water was actually dirty and could be very, harmful to your health and was causing a lot of diseases. But, beer was much safer. So till today, if you know where to go in the Czech Republic, you can have a beer for much less than water. Now we are going on, coming down the hill, and it opens up to this beautiful, beautiful view of
Sandstone used to be
Prague.
like yellow or